Hey everyone, it's Ronald from Ronald's Wooden Opinions. So, today I am going to show you how to use Premiere Rush. So, I am in the program on the desktop and I'm gonna go ahead and try to make a new project. So, I'm just gonna make whatever and show you how this thing looks like. Okay, so I'm on the PC version of this. There's a iOS version of this, and it's soon coming to Android. So, yay for that. So, okay, so I plugged in the SSD to this laptop, and let's go ahead and click on it. Let's see what I got here. All right, so I'm just gonna make whatever. So, right, let's go ahead and grab. Something. Okay, let me. I'm gonna grab a few clips from here. Oh, not that one. I want to grab so many videos, but let's see. All right, so let's see what I got here. What do I have here? Not this one. This one. Hey, let's grab this one from LA. So let's grab this one. Grab this one too. That's the one. Okay, I'm not gonna use this one. All right, so let's use this guy. No. What do I have here? What kind of files do I have? Now let's use something that I did in the North Shore for now. I'm gonna grab right here. Let's use this. Go ahead and use. All right, I'm gonna use this and use this. Something this computer can handle easily. Let's use this. And I'll use this. Alright, let's go ahead and create a video. So now you're seeing how this looks like on the PC. Alrighty. So, okay, now we're in the interface. So, alright, this looks, think of it as iMovie or Windows Movie Maker. This is the simple timeline, so I can expand this timeline by pressing this button over here, Control Tracks. So this is the Control Tracks area. So on Premiere Rush, you can use up to 4 layers of videos. So let's go ahead and see how this looks like. So you can do this. Do this, like that. Yeah. Okay, we got. So there's 3 right here, and I'm gonna see if I have one more. So Control shoots. Oops. Shoots. Let's press this here. Alrighty. Let's grab this, just for the heck of this video. All right. So here you go. Now here's a. So here you go. Now you have 4 layers, right? There's 4 layers. I'm just exaggerating, but go. So now we got 4 layers, right? So we got this 4-layer thing here. So yeah, so this is how this looks like, and that's the most you can do on Premiere Rush. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how this looks like when we play this back. Alright, so it is playing back. Alright, so let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and try to crop this. Something like this. Go vertical. Let's go. Something like this. I'm gonna chop right here. I'm gonna chop here. I'm gonna go ahead and right here. Okay, so this is the scissors button right here. So you can do this and chop the footage like that. So and there, now it fills up the screen. So that's the way to do that, and then we'll do this. I'm gonna chop. So, see how I'm moving this thing? So there's a way to do this. So I'm just showing you an idea. You can rotate it. So you can do things like that, layering, and then you can do this sort of thing right here. And then let's see how this plays back now. All right, let's go ahead and see how this thing does, and we're gonna play it back. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. This computer is kind of stuttering. Yeah, it's playing. Well, look at this. It's probably not enough RAM on the laptop, but I don't know for sure. See, I'm playing back 4 videos at one time, so okay. So you got the idea here. Alright, so this icon is the crop area, so you can crop and rotate. We're back to the timeline. So I'm back on the timeline. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So you get the idea. You can do this, and then there's still some media in here. Alright, shoots. Music, we don't have any. Oops. Let's go to D. I think I have music here. Nope. Where my files are. Yeah. So we can do, okay, so there's 4 music tracks here, 4 audio tracks. So we can do this, and then I can do this right here, put it down here. So it supports up to 4 audio tracks. I'm showing you an idea how this looks like. So yeah, go, and then something like this. Okay, so it only does 3 audio tracks, so yeah, some like this. So yeah, there you go. Let's try to see how this looks like. Alrighty, it's not, I don't know what's going on here. So, alright, so it's music. Man. I don't know what's going on here. So you get the idea, though. You can do 3 audio tracks and 4 video tracks. So this is how this looks like on Premiere Rush. That's the basics of it. So that's how Premiere Rush looks like. So you can do 4. There's 4 layers, video layers, and 3 audio layers. So that's how it looks like. So think of it as just Premiere Pro Lite, but it's not the full version. It's just a cut down version of Premiere Pro that works on iPads. It works on Windows PCs and Mac OS. It works on, as of right now, as of today, it works on iPads, iPhones, Windows PCs, and Mac OS. As of today. It's coming to Android pretty soon. So, yeah. Alright, folks. So, okay, that's the audio. So you can edit the clip. You can turn down the clip. You can mute the clip if you want by doing this. You can increase the volume or decrease the volume on the audio tab. Okay, so here's your transitions. Alright folks, so right now they only gave you 3 transitions on Premiere Rush. That's a bummer. It's just all the basic transitions that they gave. It's unfortunate. They should have put more on here, but it's just version 1.0. So yeah, it's coming in the future, I think. And here's your presets. You can do your own like little thing. Color correct. You can color correct. You can do contrast. You can crank that up. You can do highlights if you want. You can do shadows or do something like that. You can do temperature. You can crank up the white balance and things like that. You can do tint. Just do whatever you want. You can do vibrance. Increase the vibrance. And saturation, you want to make it cartoony or you want to go black and white here. So that's pretty much it. You got sharpening. You can make it super sharp or you can make it super blurry. Your call if you're using this application. You can do the vignette or you don't have to if you don't want to. But, so you get the idea here on how to use this software. Unfortunately, I haven't seen much of these content creators showing you how to really use it. Okay, this is the last one I wanted to go over is titles. So you can, there's like, you can use styles. Okay, so let's go to all. So you got basic title. You got all these titles right here that you could use. So yeah, that's pretty much it here in terms of what you can do. Oh, and then you can share this. So yeah. So let's see what options we have on the PC. Select folder. Let's see what options we got on the PC. So you can do 1080p, you can do 4K. Okay, on the iPad, you only can export at 1080p. And on the PC, you can do 4K if you want to. So we got, you can do 60, you can change the frame rate to like 30. Yeah, there's options here. You can't do this on the iPad right now, unfortunately, or iPhone. Can't do that right now. It's what it is. It's just junk. All right, so you can do you can change the audio settings, things like that. All right, so you can do. Okay, here's the preset. You can set it to 4K or whatnot, so you can do whatever you want with this in terms of exporting and things like that. Alright, so that's about it here with Premiere Rush. Alright folks, so hopefully I helped you out in terms of showing you how this looks like and how this works. I will see you in the next episode. Talk to you later. Peace and have a great night everyone.